You've worked your whole life to build up your retirement savings. But now, with the economy shifting, uncertainty is everywhere. Inflation is on the rise, and it feels like every time you turn on the news, something else is threatening your financial security. You've earned every penny of that nest egg, and the last thing you want is to watch it lose value due to unpredictable markets or bad financial decisions. But here's the thing. You don't have to wait for another recession or financial crisis to hit before you make your move. In fact, it's not about reacting to the situation. It's about being proactive now, so you don't get caught in the storm later. This is exactly why I want to share something with you that's been an absolute game changer for many retirees. Gold IRAs. Yes, gold. While others are losing their heads over the next economic downturn, gold has been a proven hedge against inflation and market volatility for centuries. Let's get into it. As we speak, the financial landscape is shifting. We've seen the US government push for more stimulus, interest rates rise, and global events sending shockwaves through the markets. But there's something you can do today to make sure your wealth isn't subject to these unpredictable swings. You see, one of the most common mistakes many retirees make is leaving all their retirement savings in traditional investments, like stocks and bonds. These assets can go up, sure, but they can also go down, sometimes very quickly. If you've worked hard to get to where you are, this is the last thing you want to risk. Gold, on the other hand, has stood the test of time. It's a tangible asset, and its value typically increases when other investments are struggling. So, what's the best way to leverage gold for your retirement? You guessed it, a gold IRA. Now you might be wondering, why a gold IRA? Simple. A gold IRA lets you add precious metals to your retirement portfolio in a way that's safe, tax-deferred, and most importantly, protects your savings from inflation and the volatility of the stock market. But here's the kicker. A gold IRA isn't for everyone. It's not some magic bullet. It only works if it fits your financial strategy and long-term goals. This is why we offer a no-obligation consultation to help you determine if a gold IRA is the right move for you. No pressure, just one-on-one education, and a chance to explore if it's a good fit for your unique situation. Before we go any further, let me share something important with you. If you've got $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, or even more than $5 million in savings, this free guide and consultation could be exactly what you need to protect that wealth. And if you've been feeling the weight of economic uncertainty on your shoulders, this could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. But let's not sugarcoat things. This isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. If a gold IRA isn't the right fit for your portfolio, we'll help you find the best alternative. We're all about long-term education and building strategies that work for you, not quick fixes or gimmicks. So, here's your chance. Click the link in the description to get your free Gold IRA guide. This guide is packed with crucial insights, tips, and strategies for securing your retirement against the biggest threats to your financial future. And remember, this is all about education. No pressure, no sales pitches, just real guidance to make sure your last financial move is the right one. Your family, your future, protect it now. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Click the link, get your free guide, and let's set up a time to talk. Let's make sure that, when you look back, you'll know that you made the smartest decision for your retirement. No sales gimmicks, no free silver offers. Just the information you need to make an informed decision. This could be your last chance to secure your wealth. Are you ready to take control? Let's talk.